Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create the viral Korean AI baseball broadcast trend in just 1 second using the Hailu AI app. This is super fast, super easy, and you don't need editing skills. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Hailu AI. First, go to your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Hailu AI. Download and install the app. Once installed, open it. Step 2. Choose your AI style. Inside the app, you'll see different AI tools and templates. Look for anything like AI video generator, image to video, cinematic animation, sports motion broadcast style. Pick the one that fits the baseball broadcast trend. Step 3. Upload your image. Now tap Upload Image. Make sure the image is clear for better results. After uploading, just click Create, and that's it. The AI will instantly generate a cinematic, Korean baseball broadcast-style video with motion, lighting, and stadium effects. This usually takes only a few seconds depending on your device. Step 5. Download and post. Once it's done, download your video. This trend is blowing up right now, so make sure to post fast. And that's how you make the AI Korean baseball broadcast trend in just 1 second using Hailu AI. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what AI trend you want next. See you in the next video.